Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. Today, we're going back to basics with a timeless classic, the Hello World program. Whether you're just starting out on your coding journey or you're a seasoned programmer, this video is for you. Alright, let's dive right in. I already opened up my favorite text editor here, which is PyCharm. You may refer to my previous video on how to install it. Now, the first thing that we need to do is create a new Python file. So in here, you can just create new project, name your project. I will name this one as tutorial, and then hit on create. Now that we're here, click on the name of the project, right click this one, click on new, and then go to Python file. I will name this one as hello underscore world dot py. Remember, the .py extension is crucial for Python files. It lets the editor interpret your code as Python. In here, we can write our very first line of Python code. It's as simple as it gets. Type in print, parenthesis, quotation mark, hello, world. This line of code tells Python to display the message, hello world on the screen. I will briefly explain to you each syntaxes that we use. Print is a built-in Python function used to display output. It takes one or more arguments inside the parentheses and prints them to the console. Hello world. This is the string literal that we want to display on the screen. In Python, strings are sequences of characters enclosed within either single or double quotation mark, which I would explain in the future videos. The parentheses after the print keyword indicate that it's a function call. Inside the parentheses, we provide the arguments to the print function. In this case, the argument is the string hello world. So when we execute the line print hello world, Python will call the print action. Click this icon and this will run the program. And congrats, you just written and executed your first Python program. You may see it in the terminal, which prints hello world. It may seem simple, but it's a significant milestone in your coding journey. Now that you've got the basics down, feel free to experiment with the code. Try adding your name after hello world or test out another block of code. Let's try using my name. Just type in print, parenthesis, quotation mark, and then your name. And again, click on run. And this displayed my name, which is John. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Python programming content.